Before installation, the first thing is to check the bell kites fixing 2 6-pedal training wheels. The training wheel is no need to distinguish the right or left, it's for the both sides. Remove the nut and the wash. Then installing the training wheel, put the wash back and nut. Don't forget to use the wrench to tighten it up. Do it again on the other side. When fixing the handlebar, insert the bar into the head tube, adjust the angle and height, then use the wrench to tighten the screws. When fixing the seats, put the seats into the frame and open the quick release, adjust the screws on it. Then you close it, that's okay. Please distinguish the pedals about the right and the left. See the different color side. Use the right pedal into the crown and use the wrench to tighten it. Do it the same in the other side. Here we go, it's about the bell. Remove the screws from the bell and put the bell into the head bar. Then tighten it. Final step, use the small kite to fit the front and the big one to fit the back wheel. Here we go, this Royalbaby Space Shuttle is ready for a ride.